Hello, my dear customer. Welcome to my studio. Today, I just want to introduce our another hot cell tap, the Carbide Endmill. And first, I would like to introduce one by one. Please have a look at this. This is our hot cell tap, the HRC55 Endmill. As you see, the Endmill is very popular and also widely used in the CNC machining. We have different assets like HRC45 and also the HRC55 and HRC65. You can see this is the nano coating at the HRC65, and our customer ordered the big size. So now I would like to introduce the different assets for you. Please have a look at this. This is the small sizes. You can see the D6. This is also the hot cell, and also smaller one. This is the also the D8. We have different sizes like D6, D8, D10, D12, 14, 16, 18, and the last one is the this one is the 20, D20. So also we can customize the more big size like the 25. You can see customer order. This is the D12, D10. So different sizes, and we can also make the very macro Endmill, the D1, D2, D3, D4. So depends on your requirements. And also we have very big stock for your choose. If you have any questions about the Endmill, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.